do our first train ride, first Amtrak train ride. We're here in Altoona. We're gonna take it to Huntingdon PA, about a 40-minute trip. Everybody's pretty excited here at the station. Get back. Out here waiting on the train. Should be here any minute.
Just caught a garbage train.
Yeah, and a garbage train just passed us?
Yes!
Nothing like a garbage train passing whenever you're waiting for another train.
An Amtrak. What?
It's right on time. There she comes.
Why is that so long?
We're gonna get on it this time, huh?
Yeah.
I think we just have a normal one coming. No heritage unit. Comes our train. It's time for us to board.
buddy. Okay, big jump. There you go. Big step there.
All right, there it is. Yep, you too. Thank you. Here, let's go down here and check it out. Doggy. Okay, that was our first ride. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool, wasn't it?
Not my first ride. My first ride on
First Amtrak ride. Here, right here. How was that? Our first Amtrak ride to Huntington, from Altoona to Huntington. It was about 40 minutes long. Oh yeah, they got there's a train in the window.
What is that?
There's a signal bridge down here. We'll have to go check that other bridge out over there. This is pretty cool down here, buddy. Like, you see all the geese over there? There's an old railroad bridge here. That's pretty neat. It's abandoned though. Pretty cool, right through the center of the park. You can see up here the train, or the trees are on the tracks growing up through, so I don't know the history of this, but it must have been abandoned for a while. Pretty cool. Goes over the bridge, or over the water here. From Juniata River. You need to catch one coming over here. It was still operating. Nice artwork. Huntington Transportation. Bit of a log jam. Walk to the top and check this bridge out. The old rails on it. Yep.
Just goes there.
Definitely old.
So old.
Pretty neat though.
Yeah. No, no train. Train maybe used to go here.
It's pretty cool. I'd like for a train to come here.
Yeah.
Good spot. There's a crossing down there. We'll know if they're coming that way. But this way. Pretty cool. BNSF. Walk downtown Huntington. Which way is it coming from?
That way.
Down here?
Is that a ghost train?
No, it might be that way. Oh, here it comes.
Yeah.
Oh, they're Jeeps. Local. Let's get back here.